All integers are natural number. This statement is true or false? Don't know? Okay, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Now this statement is true or false? No idea. Do you also get confused in this kind of statements? So this video is just for you. Stay connected till the end. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Bufo Maths. I am Neha, your mentor for today. और आज की वीडियो में ना हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं रिलेशन बिटवीन नेचुरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर्स एंड इंटीजर्स. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद दिस, let's understand these three terms. Now, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are all the counting numbers starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3 and so on are natural numbers. ये वही numbers है ना जो बचपन में आपने नर्सरी में सीखे थे, काउंटिंग 1, 2, 3, वही होते हैं natural numbers. Simple. Now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers में एक natural numbers में जब हम एक extra zero भी डाल देते हैं ना तो ये बड़ा सेट बन जाता है whole numbers का. याद कैसे रखना है ना? Whole numbers, when I say whole numbers, my lips make a circle, whole. Now this circle represents 0. 0 ऐसा ही होता है. So this way you can remember that whole numbers contain 0 and all the natural numbers. Now comes integers. So integers are negative numbers, 0 and all the positive or the natural numbers together form integers. So the concept of all the three terms is clear. Now before starting with the questions, let's discuss a simple mind map, and remember this mind map will be very helpful in solving true or false kind questions. So let's start. Now first imagine a circle. Now this circle contains all the natural numbers. तो ये circle क्या हो गया? Natural numbers का circle. Starting from 1, 2, 3 सारे natural numbers इस circle में हैं. Now comes 0. अब 0 is not comfortable with the natural numbers. अब उसको हम कहाँ रखें? So we will make a circle around this natural numbers और 0 को हम यहाँ बिठा देंगे. Now the second bigger circle is actually the set of whole numbers which contain 0, which contain natural numbers. Now comes negative numbers, -1, -2, -3 and so on. They are not comfortable with 0 and natural numbers. इन्हें कहाँ बिठाएं? Now we make a big circle around these two circles and we keep all the negative numbers here. Now this big circle represents integers which contain 0, which contain natural numbers. Now before moving further, let's try to understand with a very basic concept. Now imagine that there is a school, okay, which contains a classroom. एक ही classroom है school में, okay. Now this classroom, there is a very studious boy who is sitting inside the classroom and this is your school. Now classroom में एक अगर student बैठा है तो that student is part of the classroom, right? That student is also part of this school. क्यों? Because classroom school के अंदर है. समझ में आया? Let's apply this concept here. All the natural numbers are inside the whole number circle. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Done. Now the integer circle contain your whole number circle. So that means all whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 all are also integers because they are inside the integer circle as this. Okay. Now before going further, let's try to understand one more example. There was a boy who was not interested in studying. उसको नहीं पढ़ना. ठीक है? वो playground में खड़ा हुआ है. Now this boy is part of the school. Perfect. But this boy is not the part of the classroom because वो classroom के बाहर है. ये समझ में आया? Let's apply this concept in this mind map. Now you can see that -1 is not the part of the whole numbers. So that means every integer is not a whole number. Example -1, -2 and all the negative numbers. So we have the statement every integer is not a whole number or every integer is not a natural number. 1 is a natural number and all integer as well. But every integer, when I say every integer मतलब सारे integers whole numbers होने चाहिए, which is not true. all the integers are not whole numbers. Example, -1, -2 are all the negative numbers, right? Now let's come to the next part. Every whole number is not a natural number. Example, 0. 0 एक whole number है जो natural number नहीं है. So we can say that every whole number is not a natural number. Clear हो गया? So let's come to the question round. Now the first statement is every whole number is a natural number. True or false? Now they are saying every whole number is a natural number. क्या सारे whole number हमारे natural numbers हैं? नहीं, 0 बाहर बैठा है, वो तो natural numbers के अंदर नहीं है. So this statement is false. Example is 0. You have to give an example to justify your, if the statement is false, you have to justify with an example as well, right? So you will say that the statement is false, an example is 0, which is a whole number, not a natural number. Clear? Let's come to the next question. Every natural number is an integer. True or false? Now every natural number of course is an integer. All the natural numbers are inside the integer circle. So every natural number is also an integer. The statement is true, right? Now you have to give example only in the case of false. True के case में कोई example नहीं देना, right? Third question. Every integer is a whole number. ये कह रहे हैं सारे के सारे integers आपके whole number होते हैं. नहीं. -1, -2, just give one example. Say -1 is an example where -1 is an integer and not a whole number. So the statement is false, or every integer is not a whole number. Clear? So these kind of questions are related to natural numbers, whole number and integers. They come in the case of true or false. I hope this video थोड़ा सा आपका help किया है to understand this kind of statements, where to write true or false. So if you like my video, children, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.